I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the controller recognized by Windows. Plug a wired controller or pair Bluetooth, then wait for drivers to install. If the controller is not auto-detected, install the manufacturer's driver or use Steam's controller support. This maps inputs correctly. Once done, open the Lego game with the controller connected so the game can detect it. Make sure to run the game as administrator only if input issues persist, because permission problems can block driver access. Now configure mappings and sensitivity so controls feel natural. Open the Lego game's control settings and pick a controller preset or create a custom map for jump, camera, and interaction. If using Steam, enable Steam input, choose a template Xbox for X input controllers, PlayStation for DualShock/DualSense, and test each button in big picture mode. Once comfortable, tweak stick dead zones and vibration intensity to avoid drift or unwanted movement. Finish by validating controls during actual gameplay. Play a short level to confirm walking, camera control, and action buttons respond as expected. If buttons are wrong, rebind them in the game or Steam and retest. If input is inconsistent, update drivers, switch USB ports, or use a wired connection to reduce latency. One key troubleshooting tip: recalibrate the controller in Windows Game controller's settings to fix drift and misaligned axes. This often resolves subtle input errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.